Hello friends, welcome to TechStudyCell. In this video, we'll talk about a very simple but useful device. You can use this device for different purpose. Like you can maintain social distancing with this device. You can use it as a touchless doorbell, and you can also measure distance with this device. Now as you can see, I can constantly monitor the distance on this OLED display. For this video I have set the trigger distance 15 cm. So if I move my hand towards the sensor and the distance become below 15 cm, the buzzer will start, and if I move my hand, the buzzer will stop automatically. Now I have set the trigger distance 100 cm, and you can see I have fed the supply from the power bank. Now if I move towards the sensor and the distance become below 100, the buzzer will start. You can see it's showing in the screen stay back. Now if I move away, the buzzer will stop automatically and a green LED will start glowing. Like that you can easily maintain the social distancing with this device. Now this device also can be used as a touchless doorbell. Now you can see I can easily use this device as a touchless doorbell. Now this device also can be used for measuring distance. As you can see, I can constantly monitor the distance, so you can easily measure distance with this device. And during the video I'll share the circuit diagram, Arduino sketch, and I will explain in details how this circuit works. So after watching this video you can easily design the circuit. And for more details you can also visit our website easyelectronicsproject.com. I will share the link in the description. So let's get started. To make this project we need Arduino Nano, ultrasonic sensor, OLED display. You can also use other type of display. I will share the details during the video. A buzzer, 220 ohm resistor, and LEDs. Now we will make the circuit, and the circuit diagram will be look like this. As you can see, the circuit is very simple. We have used digital pin 9 to connect the trigger pin and digital pin 10 to connect the echo pin for this ultrasonic sensor, and we have connected this OLED display with analog pin 4 and analog pin 5. As you can see, HCL connected with the analog pin 4 and SDA connected with the analog pin 5, and we are supplying the 5 volt from Arduino to the ultrasonic sensor and the OLED display. And here you can see I have connected a LED with the digital pin 13. Here I have not used any resistor as there is already inbuilt resistor with the digital pin 13. If you use any other digital pin, then you have to use a resistor in series with the LED. And with the digital pin 12 I have connected a DC buzzer. Here you can see I have used a 220 ohm resistor. And you can feed 5 volt supply to this V in and ground, but here I will use this USB cable to supply the circuit. Now let's talk about the working principle of this circuit. Here you can see we have used HC SR04 ultrasonic sensor. The range of this sensor is 2 cm to 4 meter. So you can measure the distance between 2 cm to 4 meter with this ultrasonic sensor. Now to measure the distance, this ultrasonic sensor emit a ultrasound at 40,000 Hz which travel through the air, and if there is any object or obstacle on the path, it will bounce back to the module. Considering the travel time and the speed of the sound, we can calculate the distance with this formula. Here we are assuming the speed of the sound is 340 meter per second. So thus we can measure the distance with this ultrasonic sensor. And whenever the measured distance become lower than the predefined trigger distance, then buzzer will start. So like that this circuit works. Now as you can see, first I have made the circuit on the breadboard for testing. Now we will upload the sketch to Arduino. For that I am connecting my laptop with Arduino. We will upload this sketch to Arduino, and here you can see for testing I have set the trigger distance 15 cm. You can change this value as per your requirement. Now to upload the sketch, first I have to select the Arduino Nano board and the port. Now we can upload this sketch to Arduino. We'll talk about this Arduino sketch at the end of the video, and you can also download it from our website. I will share the link in the description. Now you can see it started showing the distance on the OLED. So if I place this circuit here, Now if I move my hand towards the ultrasonic sensor and the distance is below 15 centimeter, then the buzzer will start. You can see the buzzer will start if the distance is below 15 centimeter. Now if I move my hand away, the buzzer will stop and a green LED will light up. And we can always monitor the distance in this OLED. Now we'll place this circuit inside this cardboard box so that we can use this circuit easily. Now you can see our circuit is ready. I will place this circuit inside this yellow cardboard box and I will supply this circuit from this power bank. Now here you can see I have placed a complete circuit inside this cardboard box. Now if I close this box, now I can easily use this circuit for different purpose as I said. Now you can see I can monitor the distance on this OLED display. Now we'll talk about the Arduino sketch and how the circuit works. Here you can see I will use this sketch in this project. First you have to download and install this library. I will share the details in the description. Then we are defining some pin constant. For the trigger pin and the echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor, I will use digital pin 9 and digital pin 10. And for the green LED, I will use digital pin 13, and for the buzzer, I will use digital pin 12. Now here you can set the trigger distance. In this case, I have set the distance 15 centimeter. You can set it to 100 centimeter, 200 centimeter as per your requirement. Then in the void setup, first we are defining input and output pin. Then we are setting the display parameter. Here you can see for my display the address is 3C. You have to change the address according to the display you will use in this project. Then we are setting the text size and text color. Then we are clear the display buffer. In the void loop, first we are measuring the distance with the ultrasonic sensor. For that, first trigger pin should be low for 2 microseconds. Then trigger pin should be high for 10 microseconds. After that, again we will set trigger pin to low. Then with the pulse-in function, we are checking if there is any reflected sound received in the echo pin. Then we can easily measure the distance with this simple formula. Now after measuring the distance, we are checking if the distance is less than the trigger distance. So if the distance is less than the trigger distance, it will go to this if block. I will talk about this LED on off function later. Now in this block, it will print stay back, or if the distance is greater than the trigger distance, then it will come to this else block and it will just show the distance on the screen. Now here you can see in both block I have used this LED on off function. So let me show you the LED on off function. Now in the LED on off function, first we are checking the distance is less than trigger distance or not. So if the distance is less than the trigger distance, it will turn off the green LED and it will start the buzzer. But if the distance is greater than the trigger distance, it will turn on the green LED and it will stop the buzzer. Thus the circuit works. You can download the Arduino sketch from my website. I will share the link in the description, and you can also modify the code as per your requirement. I hope you have liked this project, as this is a very useful project in this pandemic situation where social distancing is very important. So if you like this project, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.